Hey guys, I'm here with Raphael. This is a customer vehicle that was brought in for service. So not only did they disinfect the vehicle prior to our staff providing them with the services that they required today, but now we are doing the disinfecting process again, a second time around, so that way the vehicle is perfectly good to go back to the customer. So Raphael has a mask on here, does have several items, disinfectant. There's a certain type of process that they're doing, so that way the vehicle is going to be good and safeguarded for the vehicle to go back to the customer. So do you guys do the interior? You're doing the
dashboard, anything that customers touches before burning in here, we wipe them down, make sure nobody gets affected.
Okay. So anything, door handles, everything, correct?
Yes. All the door handles, all the seats. So then make sure we air it out for a couple minutes before we return it to the customer.
Okay. So right now you guys are doing this on every single vehicle that is coming in for service.
Yes, correct. That's every vehicle we get here.
Before our staff even gets involved with the service part of it.
Correct.
We're disinfecting, making sure that the services are safe for our staff to continue to provide service to customers.
Also, when we do delivery, we do the same thing on all cars.
This is the pre-cleaner that they've been using. Disinfectant that they're using for this process, this is part A. It's going to eliminate 99.9% of odor-causing germs, microbes, mold, and mildew. It is safe after a couple minutes after the vehicle does air out. Safe for children to be in the vehicle then as well. It's safe for animals to be in there too. Okay, so they have, that's part A. Here's part B.
This was an activator.
This one is?
Yeah.
So this is more of the activator part of it.